This is very similar to the quiz. I just went in and changed numbers and basically kept the same types of questions. So if you can do this, you can do the quiz. If you're looking to solve for x, and you have two proportional fractions that are equal to each other, you cross multiply. 9 times 4, and then 3 times x minus 7. In this case, I have to distribute. I'm going to add 21 to both sides. 57 equals 3x, and then divide both sides by 3, and you get 19. Number 2, given this line, dilate from the origin by a factor of 4. Something wrong with this line. It's not equal to y yet. I'm just going to copy it over first, and then I'm going to rearrange it so it's equal to y. Divide everything by 2. Negative 1x plus 4. Now I'm going to take that line and I'm going to only change the y-intercept, never change the slope. So I'm going to dilate the y-intercept by 4. So you have y equals, leave that part alone, 16. Only dilate the y-intercept. If you're given two triangles and it gives you the proportions, you can tell that 5 became 15, 10 became 30, and 7 became 21. So even though they're not facing the same way, it's kind of just like this. It's hidden because it's turned a little bit. So the similarity statement would be triangle ABC. If I call the first one ABC, then I say it's similar to triangle DEF because it went ABC, DEF. Same order. Corresponding angles were in the same order. Next question says, what's the scale factor? I ignore those because I changed the letters from the quiz. What's the scale factor between these two triangles? Well, from 5 to 15, from 7 to 21, and from 10 to 30, it's all a scale factor of 3. The ratio of their perimeters. Well, the perimeter of the first one is 5 plus 7 plus 10. The perimeter of the second one would be 66. So the ratio of the perimeters is 22 to 66. That actually reduces to 1 to 3, which makes sense, right? Because the scale factor was 3. So what's the ratio of their areas? You don't even need to know the areas. You just need to know to do this. 1 to 9. Square the other one. In this problem, I'm going to have you solve for x. So you can tell because this angle goes with this, and this goes with this, that those two correspond. And then do I have double numbers somewhere else? I have a couple of double numbers, but I'll just use that one. So I can go 24 is to 9 as x is to 15. 9x equals 24 times 15. It's 360. 36 divided by 9 is 4, so that must be 40. In the diagram below, the triangles are similar. Describe the similarity transformation that maps ABC onto DEF. So I just made up two triangles here. Similarity transformation. There's two steps that you have to do to get this to map completely onto this one. Sometimes you have to rotate, but this one doesn't appear to have to be rotated. But you do have to translate this one. You notice that if you translate it so that A maps up with A, you then are going to have to dilate from so that by 2, so 5 become 10. Translate, dilate. And this one can be done with a compass. It says dilate with a scale factor of 3. You have to make sure your dilation lines are long enough. You go through each point just like we did the letter the extra credit project we did. So with your compass, you're going to measure from here to here. And we're going to do a scale factor of 3. So there's 2, and there's 3. You're going to go A, 2, 3, and then B, 2, 3. With your compass, connect the points. And in this case, you have dilated it by a scale factor of 3. Quiz, that's the whole quiz right there. So if you know how to do those, you can do the quiz tomorrow.